Hello and welcome to Homeschool MBA, where we talk about different management business administration topics. Thank you for being here. Let's get started. So the agenda today is clear values and trade-offs in decision making. As you recall, we did a presentation on the 6 requirements for decision quality, i.e. appropriate frame, creative alternatives, relevant and reliable information, clear values and trade-offs, sound reasoning, and commitment to action. So this slide is a one-pager on clear values and trade-offs, also known as smart decision-making. Hello, Professor. Let's talk about smart decision-making in light of clear values and trade-offs.
Thank you very much. Decision-making is a very important function. The managers have to perform at various levels and at different times. Keep in mind that there are always 2 sides of the decision, the positive side and the negative side of the decision. The positive side of the decision leads to gains for the company. And in such decisions, the company stock go high, the profit is increased, market share is increased, and brand awareness is created. The customers and the clients, they are satisfied, and the company starts cruising. And such decisions are made upon the scientific information that is available to the manager, based upon which he or she develops various alternatives collectively with his team, and the best alternative is selected. So that takes us to a positive decision. The negative decision, the cause of such decision is basically the lack of correct and scientific or incorrect information based upon the decision is made. It is also, because of the risk that we take in certain decisions and the natural disasters, etc., etc. If a long-term decision that can lead us to some kind of losses, or it's inefficient decision, and such decisions, they lead us to losses. The employees feel frustrated, and the companies, they stock go high, even market share is adversely affected. The point over here is that what is manager required to do? The manager has to keep 2 things very seriously in his mind. That is the direct values of the decision and the intangible or indirect values. The direct values of the decision is like shareholders value. That means that the shareholders, they gain more on their shares because of the good decision made by the manager. And that also speaks of the economic value of enterprise, that is the profits and net present value. All these things, they managers, they keep in mind. And mind you, it's a collective decision making. It's not one person decision making. The subject matter experts are sitting, they are looking at the information, they are looking at various alternatives, and they pick up one, the best one. So therefore, we can say that while picking up the best one alternative, they keep direct values of decision in their mind. At the same time, they also keep the intangible and indirect values in mind. Now, what are the intangible or indirect values? Like employee satisfaction, like brand awareness, like market share. Now, when we say brand awareness, that we are talking of the popularity of the brand. And when we say market share, we feel and we say that because of the good decision that we have made, the market share of the company goes up. And when the market share of the companies goes up, naturally the sales are increased. And when the sales are increased, the profits are increased. And when the profits are increased, then the employees' benefits are increased, their salaries are increased, their promotions take place. Therefore, all these things, they come under intangible or indirect values. Indirect values also mean the happiness of the customers, because they become a regular customer You see, the best, your brand becomes their best choice. Therefore, we can say that the intangible value of the decision creates awareness of the brand and the customer's satisfaction also. I think that's what the smart decision making is all about. If you have any questions, I can always explain.
No, thank you, Professor. And thank you everybody for watching. Interesting talk. Please like and subscribe to all our social media, and we will meet again. Thank you.